I am making my own coconut cream. Coconut cream is expensive in Jamaica, and if I can make my own coconut cream, well, I'm gonna do that. Furthermore, it contains no preservatives, so all the better for me. So I'm using one large coconut, one large dry coconut. So I'm gonna cut up this coconut. So I'm gonna put the coconut pieces into a food processor. If you will be using a blender, you need to cut the coconut into smaller pieces like this. For a blender. So I'm going to add a little bit of water to this. If you will be using a blender, just add enough water to cover the coconut pieces. Do not add a lot of water. If you will be using a food processor, add about quarter cup of water. And then blend again. So I'm going to use just a small amount of water to wash out the food processor because I don't waste anything. So after you use a quarter cup of water into the food processor, then you're going to use a little bit and just wash out the food processor, right? So it will be a little more than quarter cup. Now allow this to sit like for 10 minutes. Why should I allow it to sit for 10 minutes? Just to get everything nice and combined. That is something I like to do. Probably it is optional. So after 10 minutes, I'm gonna put the, what I squeeze out into this because I'm not gonna use it again. And you can use warm water if you want instead of cold water. They say that warm water get out all the juices from the coconut, but I don't know if that is true. So I rinse out this container with some water, right? I'm gonna pour the coconut milk into it, and I'm gonna rinse out this container. So I'm gonna strain the coconut milk once more to ensure that no trash is in it. Well, I call it trash. I don't know what you call it. Right. So this is normally what I would put in my rice and peas, in my stew peas, or in my porridges, or whatever. You understand? But this is mixed with water, right? And I do not want water. I want the real natural coconut cream. So what I'm going to do now is to pour this into a glass. The glass is washed and dried. Make sure there's no water in the glass, because you don't want no water right now. So I'm going to pour this into a glass. And of course, I will have to use 2 glasses. So I'm going to pour it into the remaining into another glass. Either they can stay right here on the countertop, or they can put into the fridge. I'm going to put them into the fridge because the coconut milk separated from the water. So the water is right here. See the water, and you see a little bit of coconut milk. So the real coconut milk right here. Yeah, man. So when you said 1 cup of coconut milk, it's not really 1 cup of coconut milk. It's a little bit of coconut milk and a whole lot of water. Yeah, man. So see the coconut cream right here. This is it right here. With a smaller spoon. See it here. Alright, this is it. This is the real thing. It's not a lot, but quality over quantity. Right? I have to be careful because I don't want the water. Alright, see there? The real thing this. So I'm gonna put this in the pot right now because I'm cooking rice and peas.